Hey everyone, today we're solving problem number 24 from chapter 17 of the textbook, which asks us to define an index fund. So, part of defining an index fund is going to be defining what a mutual fund is. So let's read what a mutual fund is. It says, purchasing a diversified group of stocks or bonds has become easier in the internet age, but it remains something of a task. To simplify the process, companies offer mutual funds, which consist of a variety of stocks or bonds from different companies. The financial investor buys mutual fund shares and then receives a return based on how the fund as a whole performs. In 2012, according to the investment company Factbook, about 44% of US households had financial investment in a mutual fund, including many people who have their retirement savings or pension money invested in this way. Mutual funds can focus in certain areas.